Hello everyone, my name is MITHUNA and I am from CSBS branch. Name of the product chosen for this activity is water bottle. And pouring fonts is the imaginary names for, for my startup company, and this is the logo. Feedback collected during empathy, mentioning some of the requirement and feeling about the product as said by the customer during the empathizing activity. Using of steel bottle, copper bottle and aluminium. Use of glass bottle or glass cups in restaurants. Reduce the use of water plastic bottles. Bottles are leak proof and thermoresistance. Define and ideate. Based on empathizing stage and considering the feelings and requirements of customer, many new features are to be added to the existing product. Features added to my water bottle is leak proof, lightweight and thermoresistance. Futuristic product name is Nature's Nectar. For prototype. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured due to time constraint. The mentor advised to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. The actual working model are not prepared. The testing stage is considered as the positive comments received for this presentation video. I request the viewers of this presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.